Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Tuesday. As most of you know, Tuesday nights we are closed. We're closed on Tuesday and Wednesdays, and I am just back here whipping up some cocktails, and I'm actually getting ready to make this maple old fashioned, so maple chocolate old fashioned, and I'm super excited about it. I haven't made it yet. I'm going to be using this Aztec chocolate bitters. I'm going to be making it, I'm actually going to use rye, local maple syrup, some blood oranges, and some cherries in my maple chocolate old fashioned. So thank you for joining me. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, put hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. I am just kind of wasting a little time right now. Justin is on his way home from Buffalo for a couple of days. He's going to be visiting before he starts classes again next week. So he moves back into his dorm after winter break on Friday. And so he's going to be home visiting for a couple of days with his girlfriend. I'm really excited about that. Have a couple of days of hanging out. We're having dinner tonight with my parents. We're having some sushi, so that's exciting. Tomorrow night we'll do something, and then Thursday night we'll be here at the restaurant enjoying dinner so that he can have a nice meal before he goes back to school. So hello, there's lots of people on. Hello, Michaela. Hello, Sean. Of course, Marcus is here. Hello, Colleen. Sabrina, thank you everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. We are closed. It is Tuesday night, so we're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We will be reopened on Thursday. Friday we have Albie. We'll have a new takeout special on Friday, so that's exciting. Not sure what it's going to be. Maybe Marcus can drop a comment and tell us what the special will be so you can start preparing for the weekend. So that's exciting. Albie is here on Friday night, 6:30 to 9:30. Maybe we'll even get him to play a little bit longer than 9:30. So come on down, enjoy Albie, enjoy the music, enjoy a cocktail. Courtney should be behind the bar this weekend. I'll be around, so if you want me to make you a specialty cocktail, just tell me what you like, and I'd be happy to whip something up for you. Hello, Ralph. Thanks for watching me. I appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody's support. And I'm going to go ahead and whip up my cocktail. So it is a bourbon chocolate old-fashioned. I am going to take blood oranges and some cherries, some of the filthy cherries, which I love these filthy cherries. They are so yummy. Everybody loves them. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and a drop of the cherry juice. And I'm going to muddle those all together. So muddle that together here in the glass. I'm going to put a little bit of maple syrup in there. Just a drop of maple syrup. You don't want it too sweet. You know, usually you put simple syrup or agave in your old fashioned. We're using, this one is maple. So I'm going to just mash everything up. I like to get the cherries and the oranges nice and muddled. So it's nice and leaves all the cherry juice in there and the juice of the orange. So, and then I'm going to add about 10 drops of chocolate bitters into my glass. And I'm going to add some rye, 2 ounces of rye. I know what's going to happen. Marcus is going to want some of this too. So I'm going to mix that on up. And I like my old fashions on the rocks. You can use a big rock. I don't have any big rocks. I need to make some big rocks again. We used to make them years ago. So I'm going to put some ice in my glass and mix it on up. Get it nice and cold. It's a nice party drink on a nice cold day. It gets you nice and warm inside. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Susan. That's great rye. Love that place. Awesome. So let's see how it tastes. Maple chocolate old fashioned. That'll open you right up. So lots of people on today. So thank you everybody for watching. Really appreciate it. We are closed today. It is Tuesday, so we're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Reopen on Thursday. We'll have a new $9.99 special on Thursday. That will be available from Thursday to Monday. Let's see, Albie is here on Friday. We had a great wine dinner last night. We were busy last night, so thank you everybody who came out for that. Our next wine dinner will be in 2 weeks, which, what is the date in 2 weeks? If somebody can drop that, that'd be great. I can't remember the date. So 2 weeks, and then the following Monday will be a beer dinner. And don't worry, if you don't drink beer, we'd be happy to do wine for you. So I know people are going to start begging me for next Monday to do a wine dinner. It is Martin Luther King weekend. We are open. Those of you that don't know, we did cancel our 99 bottles of wine on the bar. We're going to do it in the spring when it gets nicer, and we can do it inside and outside. This way people can go in and out. Of course, our tent is up. There are heaters out there. I doubt very much you want to sit outside in this freezing cold weather, but we have takeout available, and our dining room is open, but you can do takeout. Again, remember we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And let's see, that's it. I will hopefully be around tomorrow to make a cocktail. I hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers, and we will catch you all soon. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for your support. And groceries are available, don't forget. If you need some groceries, some frozen wild fish, we have salmon, halibut, sablefish, lots of cool groceries. So that's going to be it for now. Cheers, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody.